In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to download and install FreeCAD on your Windows computer. Whether you're working on engineering projects, architectural designs, or just exploring 3D modeling for the first time, this software has the tools you need. So let me show you exactly how to get it set up on your machine. The first thing you'll want to do is open up any web browser you prefer. In the search bar at the top, type FreeCAD download and press enter. From the search results that appear, click on the first result from freecad.org. This will redirect you directly to the official FreeCAD download page, which is exactly where we need to be. On this page, you'll see multiple installation options available. There are installers for Windows, macOS, and various Linux distributions. Since we're focusing on Windows today, go ahead and select the Windows installer option. The file will start downloading automatically. It's typically somewhere between 300 to 500 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long depending on your internet connection. Once the download finishes, navigate to your Downloads folder. You should see FreeCAD installer file there. So, double-click it to launch the installation wizard. The installation wizard will now appear on your screen. So, click Next to begin. You'll be presented with the license agreement. Take a moment to review it if you'd like, then click Next again to continue. On the next screen, you'll see an option that says Install for anyone using this computer. Make sure that's checked, then click Next once more. Now you'll choose where FreeCAD gets installed. The default location works perfectly fine for most users, but if you have a preferred directory, you can change it here. Once you're satisfied with the location, click Next. The installer will show you which components will be installed. Generally, you'll want to keep all of these selected to ensure you get the full software package. So, click Next to confirm. Finally, click Install to begin the actual installation process. This will take a while, and you'll see a progress bar showing you how it's going. Just be patient while the software copies all the necessary files to your computer. When everything's complete, you'll notice that a FreeCAD shortcut will be added to your desktop automatically. So when you're ready to launch the application for the first time, make sure Launch FreeCAD box is checked, then go ahead and click Finish. The application will open up immediately, and you'll be greeted with the FreeCAD welcome screen. From here, you can start exploring the interface and begin creating your first 3D projects. And there you have it! FreeCAD is now fully installed and ready to use on your Windows PC.